I'm Nidhi Agarwal, your science mentor. I'm starting my YouTube channel to help you in your science. Basically, we are going from very hard time, and as you are not going to school, then how come you solve your problem? You all are having new books with you, and many of them in fact not having. But NCERT are providing, internet is providing. So our question is how we can study it. So the best way is YouTube. And I am going to start this channel to help you out in your CBSE curriculum from classes 8 to 12th. We will take science for 8, 9, 10, 10 and specialization 11th, 12th we will take bio. This help you in solving your problems and go through all your studies, and in fact your time will not ruin. So first of all, we will start with class 10, and the first chapter we will take in class 10, that is life process. This chapter, life process of science, contain 8 marks chapter. It can be 8 marks. Basically, it's all related to our human activities. How we take nutrition, how we respire, how circulation system takes place in our body, how excretion system takes in our body. These all 4 aspects of human beings and plants we will study in this chapter, that is life process. It's very interesting chapter and it's totally on us. So it's very interesting. First of all, we will start the first process, that is nutrition. As I have written something on the board, nutrition means getting energy. We get energy from the food itself. We take nutrients, and for the vital processes, the energy we require, we get from this nutrition. But how we obtain this nutrition? There are different mode of nutrition. Mainly it's autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic, that is self. Auto means self. When nutrition is obtained by themselves. So we have seen plants. Have you seen plants taking food from someone else? No. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You have studied in earlier classes, but in the detail you will study now. Photosynthesis is a general concept where we know this by the definition that plants prepare their food themselves in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. So, autotrophic is the process of photosynthesis, that is preparing food themselves. Example, we can say green plant. When organisms depend on other for their food are known as heterotrophic. They are basically dependent in one or the other form. They are dependent on dead animals, they are dependent on living animals or others. For example, if we talk about the organisms which depend on dead animal for their food are known as saprophyte. Those organisms are known as saprophytic, while the organism which depends on living organisms for their food are known as parasitic, and organisms are known as parasites. The intake of food is form of pieces is known as holozoic. So, example, human being. So, these are the different mode of nutrition, but we are here just to know the definitions only. There is not much required in detail because we have to study in detail, that is photosynthesis. So, today we will first take nutrition in plants, that is photosynthesis. As we know, this is an easy process, but where does photosynthesis take place? This photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. In green plants, chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. It is the site of photosynthesis. We have studied in class 9 or in earlier classes different organelles, and you have studied about the chloroplast. Chloroplast is an organelle which contains pigment, that is chlorophyll. So, for photosynthesis, certain raw material are needed, and these are CO2 and water. This CO2 and water help in the process of photosynthesis. And if we talk about the necessary are chlorophyll and sunlight. So, photosynthesis, actually how it happens? When CO2 combined with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, its food is produced in form of glucose, that is C6H12O6. It gives small amount of water and oxygen. So the oxygen is liberated out and we take it in form of respiration. The food which is prepared by plants is consumed by themselves, that is glucose, and the food left behind because the whole glucose can't be utilized. The residue which left behind is known as starch, and that starch is consumed by us in form of carbohydrates. So this overall process of photosynthesis is divided into two forms, that is light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction which take place in the presence of sunlight and dark reaction which take place afterwards. First of all, the light energy when trapped by the chloroplast is converted the water molecules into different ions, and that ions help in the preparation of glucose. So that process is complete, which we call the nutrition in plants. We can study in later videos about the nutrition in human beings. So go through this chapter, go through this process. You will find few questions, and do comment me below in the comments, and I will solve your problems. Right? So keep studying, keep getting these videos, keep downloading, keep subscribers, and I am Nidhi Agarwal, help you as your in science. Keep subscribing me and share with your friends. Thank you.